Hello everybody, AB Trains here, and today you're joining me at Newry Harbour, which is situated at the terminus of the water line on Stepford County Railway, where you're going to be seeing services by water line only on their Newry Harbour to Connolly services. This is just going to be a short Transat because you only get like the odd Newry Harbour to Connolly services, and that's basically what you get here. So, let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Newry Harbour. Hope you enjoy. Okay, now coming in is a terminating waterline service from Connolly. It is 387018. from Connolly. Okay, getting ready to depart is going to be the 1425 waterline service to Connolly, starting here at Newry Harbour. The number on there is 387018 to Connolly. Okay, the next train to arrive is going to be another terminating waterline service from Connolly. One of a class 387. It's 387005 from Connolly. Okay, getting ready to depart is 387005, forming your 1433 waterline service to Connolly, starting here at Newry Harbour. I saw a toot from the driver there, thank you very much. (38705) to Connolly. Okay, coming in now is the final train of the video. It's going to be another terminating waterline class 387 from Connolly. 387049. And as she unloads for the next journey, I shall conclude the video there. So, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. If this happens to be the first video you ever saw by me, then please do consider subscribing to the official AB Trains YouTube channel so you can become an AB fan. My next station to film is going to be Newry, the main station. So, until then, I shall see you at Newry. So for now, I'm going to be heading inside the train and film the departure out of Newry. Thank you very much for watching.
Platform 1 for the 1455 waterline service to Connolly. Calling at Newry, Eden Quay, Faraday Road, West Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park, and Connolly. This train has 4 coaches.